Securing your WhatsApp account is crucial to protect your private chats, images, and videos from unauthorized access. By using WhatsApp's built-in fingerprint lock feature, you can easily lock your account without the need for third-party applications. In this video, we will walk through the steps to enable this feature on your Android device. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel and it's all about easy how-to-tech guides, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Launch WhatsApp on your Android phone. Tap the menu button located at the top right corner of the app and select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and select App Lock. Toggle Unblock with Biometric. When enabled, you can only use whatever biometric identifier you have set to open WhatsApp. You can still answer calls. Now you select how soon the lock will be activated: immediately, or after 1 minute or 30 minutes. In future, when anyone tries to load WhatsApp on your device, they will need to use your biometric identifier.
Pretty cool.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.